Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain key of 17th August 2020 dated assignment 5 solutions. This assignment contains 4 sums. Let me explain one by one. These all the sums are related to that quadrilaterals. So based on the concept, sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. Sum of interior angles of n-sided polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees or 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. And each exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to 360 degrees by n. At last, each interior angle of the regular polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees by n. Based on this concept, we have the sums. Now the first question is, find the measure of x from the given figure. Here the first question is given. See in this diagram, this is the exterior angle x. This exterior angle is 90 degrees given. And this is the 50 degrees. And the fourth exterior angle is given 110 degrees. Just now, we repeat the point. The sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So from this, x plus 90 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Then x plus 90 plus 50, 140, 140 plus 110, 250 is equal to 360 degrees. Then x is equal to 360 degrees minus 250 degrees. So 250 will be sent to the right side. It will be subtract. Then x is equal to 110 degrees. This is the x value. This is the first sum solution. Let me explain the second one. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees is the second sum. Given each exterior angle of regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by n. But it is given each exterior angle is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is equal to 360 degrees by n. We'll do the cross multiplication. That means n will be transformed into the left side. So 45 degrees n is equal to 360. That implies n is equal to 360 degrees by 45. 45 ones, 45 eights. Then n is equal to 8. So number of sides of a regular polygon. Therefore number of sides of regular polygon is equal to 8, which means this is the octagon. This is the second sum solution. Let me explain third one. Here in the third question, one diagram is given. We need to find the missing angle. So in this way one diagram is given. This angle is 60 degrees. This exterior angle is 90. This interior angle is given 90. This one is given angle 1. And this exterior angle is given 40 degrees. And this is the x. We need to find the value of the x. Find the x of the following figure. Now see here, first let us find that angle 1 and angle 1. We know that angle 1 plus angle 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair of angles. So that implies angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees. Now coming to the point, sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So here we have that 5 exterior angles. So it is the pentagon. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 only. Coming to your x plus 60 plus 90 plus. Already we find angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to again 90 plus this is the 40. All the 5 angles. These are the 5 exterior angles. This sum of these angles is 360. Now x plus 90 plus 90, 180, 60 plus 40, 100. So 180 plus 100, 280 is equal to 360 degrees. Then x is equal to 360 degrees. This 280 will be transformed into the right side minus 280 degrees. Then x is equal to 80 degrees. So this is the missing angle from the given figure. This is the third sum solution. Now let me explain the fourth one. And the fourth question is the ratio of exterior angle to interior angle of a regular polygon 1:4. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So let the number of sides of the polygon is equal to x. Let number of sides of polygon of regular polygon is equal to n. Here given the ratio of exterior angle to interior angle. Ratio of exterior angle to interior angle equal to 1:4 is given. So which means exterior angle of a regular polygon 360 degrees by n, by interior angle of a regular polygon n minus 2 into 180 by n is equal to 1/4. That is the meaning. So from this we can conclude that these two cancel. Now 360 degrees by 1 n minus 2 into 180, again 180 ones, 180 twos, finally 2 by n minus 2 we got. 2 by n minus 2 is equal to 1/4. Now let us do the cross multiplication. N minus 2 into 1 equal to n minus 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. From this n is equal to 8 plus 2. Therefore n is equal to 10. So number of sides of regular polygon is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the fourth sum solution. Thank you children. This is the assignment 5 solutions.